How to create siren eyes for beginners. First, make sure to prep your eyelid with concealer or eyeshadow primer. Next, you will need a light brown eyeshadow and the card. So you want to place your card just underneath your lower lash line. Then grab a light brown eyeshadow and start applying from the outer part, literally just swiping back and forth. Repeat the steps a few times. Next, take a smaller blending brush and a darker brown color. Place your card back into the same position. This time, apply the dark eyeshadow as close to your lash line as you can and as close to the card as you can. Repeat the same step a few times. So once you have this nice shape going on, grab an angled brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and extend the inner corner of your eye by tapping and looking straight forward into the mirror. So you're literally just following this line here and imagining that it's gonna extending towards your nose a little bit. And you connect it with the bottom lash line as well. The reason why we're doing it is that we're trying to lower this part of the eye down and lift this part of the eye up so it looks like we have this nice lifted siren eye. For the lid color, you can use a light matte eyeshadow or something with a little bit of shimmer, and just tap it on from the inner to the mid-center of your lid. Apply mascara or false lashes, and just like that you have created a beautiful lifted siren eyes.